So paano nga ba mag-predict using the Swipe 1 platform? Hey guys, this is BM and if bago pa lang kayo sa mga social media pages natin, ay mag-follow and subscribe na kayo para lagi kayong updated sa mga panibago nating uploads regarding kay Swipe 1. Let's go! So, welcome back mga tol, no? So today, pag-usapan natin kung paano nga ba kayo makakapag-predict using the Swipe 1 platform for free. Anyway guys, huwag na natin ito patagalin at simulan na natin to. So, ito yung platform ni Swipe 1 guys, and in order for you to be able to predict sa crypto or sa sports, politics, elections, and whatsoever guys, no? You actually need the points. So, paano ba kayo makakakuha ng points? So, the first thing, you have to click this one and dito may lalabas na pop-up. So yung pop-up na yan, ilalagay nyo lang yung referral code ko dyan and you will be able to get 100,000 points that you can use for predictions. So dito, merong iba't ibang category guys. So yun nga, yung sports, crypto, politics, election. So every time, bago yan. Pwede rin naman tong predict fund wherein ang pagpe-predicta nyo dito will be the esports naman. But anyway guys, ang pinakamabilis na turnover would be the crypto predictions. And itong trending topics kasi nakadepende pa rin to guys sa kung anong timeline yung sinusundan nyo. So pinakamabilis will be the crypto predictions. Wherein ang pag-uusapan dito is yung price ni Ethereum, BTC, or yung mga major tokens. Alright? So dito, pag nag-predict kayo, maglalagay lang kayo ng total amount na gusto nyong gamitin. So ako, kunwari, 1,000 lang yung gusto kong ilagay for predictions. Di ilalagay ko siya dito. So click on confirm. So ang tingin ko tataas si Ethereum. Then sa XRP naman, pag down naman, then you can actually put your pricing in here. So ako, lalagay ko ulit dito pataas. So predict tayo ng mga around 10,000 para manalo tayo ng 27,000. So, ganun siya. Pero points lang to guys, hindi to actual money. Okay? So, itong points na to guys, paano nyo ba siya mag-grind? So, all you just need to do is actually go here. And then dito, makikita nyo na meron silang progress hub. Dito nyo makikita yung total amount of points nyo. So, dito, meron din silang daily task. So, kapag ginawa nyo itong daily task guys, when you click this one, you just have to check in and you will be able to get 10,000. So, tapos na ako mag-check-in dito guys kanina. That's the reason why ganyan na may error na siya, no? But anyway, once you're done here, you can actually go to the bottom part of the website. So, dito may iba't ibang klase ng task list na pwede nyo gawin. So, yung iba dito, I think mga one-time quest lang. And then, yung pagpe-predict guys, makakuha din kayo ng mga points. And when you also invite your friends, ito, 3 friends today, you will be able to get 5,000 points. So, dito guys, wala pa naman kasi ginagawa ko pa yung video natin. Now, dito sa task, I'm not sure kung nagre-refresh yung mga watch videos nila in a daily basis because I haven't tried. But I will definitely check it out and probably sa next video guys, i-explain ko kung paano siya nag-work. Okay? Now, this platform also gives a lot of perks for those people who actually climb the leaderboard ranking. So dito guys, last season, I think way back volume 4 ng leaderboard, okay? So dito, nagkaroon sila ng around 11,550 USDT for the top 50 players who will go up to the leaderboard rankings. So I think one of our members dito sa Barangay Tamago was able to actually secure around $2,000 in this prize pool. And yun si Dakis, no? So congratulations kay Dakis. Okay, so nanalo siya ng around 2,000 USDT. I'm not really sure kung naka-multiple account siya dito. Pero hindi naman siguro strict pagdating sa multiple accounts itong Swipe 1 guys. No? Now, aside from this one, kasi ito yung previous season, which kung mapapansin nyo guys, August 2. Alright? And then, the current season naman ng Volume 5 leaderboard is August 9. So, dito guys, nanalo naman si Dakis ng booster bundle. Okay, nanalo siya ng isang booster bundle and I think nanalo din siya ng booster packs, which is binigay niya kay Mike and also kay Alrap, no? So, paldo yung dalawa, mag-o-open ng mga packs, guys. Anyway, so yun yung mga perks kapag nagka-climb kayo sa leaderboard. So, I think they will actually do an announcement on their Discord server. So, please make sure to actually join the Discord para makita nyo yung mga ganitong klase ng announcement. Okay? Now, your only goal here is to climb the ranks. So, if you have that much points, then you can actually go and predict this one. So, dito 5 minutes na lang. So, i-check natin kung marireach niya ba. So, try natin i-check dito. So, current price is 289. So, click na natin yung confirm. Alright, trade natin. Ito, in 15 minutes, tignan natin kung mag-up siya. So, ito, possible din to. So, predict tayo. So, in 15 minutes, check natin. Okay, ito guys, malapit na. Ayun, hit na yun. Panalo na tayo doon, guys. Promise. Tapos, ganun dito, si Hype, no? So, check natin. Marireach niya na ba? Na-reach niya na, guys. Na-reach niya na to. So, betan na natin yan. Okay, pag mga sigurado na, guys, betan nyo na, no? Para easy win, di ba? So, ito, parang medyo malayo-layo pa siya. 4 minutes pa naman, pero I think medyo malayo to na mangyari. Kasi 8-7 pa lang siya. I'm not really sure kung papalso tayo dito or papaldo. Pero parang hindi siya abot. So, I think down tayo dito. So, medyo maliit lang yung mga accumulate natin na points. Pero I think madadown tayo dito. But anyway, ganun lang naman kasimple yung predictions. And don't forget to actually claim your free packs here. So, dito guys, makakakuha kayo ng 10 packs per free. Meron ditong lalabas na icon. So, yung icon na yun guys, kapag clinic nyo, may makukuha kayo doon na 10 packs. So, kapag clinic nyo yun, all you just need to do is to rip the pack and you will be able to get these items as well. So, kung mapapansin nyo, ayan, no? So, may mga energy, may mga pre-boost pack, meron ding mga card itself. So, nasa sa inyo na lang yun, okay? But anyway, I hope nagkaroon kayo ng understanding on how people earn points here and make actual money dito sa platform na to. So, nothing is guaranteed naman guys. Lagi ko naman sinasabi yan. Pagdating sa crypto, walang guarantee. Okay? Especially if you are doing it on a platform. Okay? But anyway guys, if you want to actually learn how to trade crypto and also trade forex, meron tayong community para doon. Ilalagay ko na lang din yung link sa ating community GC para at least makapag-join kayo. Yun lang. Maraming salamat sa panonood. This is BM again and alam nyo na, peace out.